HP tablet, brand new. Unboxing. This original charger. There's some accessories and user manual. And here we go. Currently install Windows 8. Excellent battery timing. And here we go, 2 GB RAM, and it's having Intel Atom processor, and it's having 64 GB hard drive SSD. Slim and stylish. This is back side. Here the volume button, and it's having excellent battery and excellent camera result as well. It's having flush. And you can put USB here. The same cable you have to put, and the other side is female USB. Okay, so you can put a USB and you can put external hard drive as well. Thank you so much, guys. Just leave your address and contact number. We will deliver for free home delivery.